to Mexico on a cruise ship out of Long Beach. Look at how amazing this is.
In this video, we're at our first stop on our Mexican cruise, Cabo San Lucas, where we do lots of tequila tasting, then some shopping, then we visit Sammy Hagars' place, Cabo Wabo, and we cool down with a beer and some local color. Stay tuned, here we go. In the previous video, we did a full ship tour so you guys can know everything there is to know about Navigator of the Seas. So we're on Royal Caribbean, Navigator of the Sea. First stop is Cabo San Lucas, next is Mazatlan, and then Puerto Vallarta. Sailing into Cabo is really pretty. They don't really have a port, so they tender you in. And it's a little 5-minute tender ride, literally. There's tons of activities when you get off the boat, so you can look for the signs. I'll show you some of those in a little bit. But we like to walk around and just check out the city. We've been to Cabo before, so we definitely wanted to go to Sammy Hagars' Cabo Wabo Cantina and check that out. There's tons of bars and restaurants all over the place. And there's lots of shopping for all the touristy stuff. And what we didn't know is that I guess it's really big now that they have tequila tasting everywhere. Oh my gosh. And we did quite a bit of tequila tasting. So when we get to that point in the video, you may want to forward through if you're tired of seeing us drink tequila. But it was really, really fun. And it was all free. My husband found a free tequila tasting, so that's where we're going. Is it made here?
All the tequila has to be made in Jalisco.
Okay, this is the Blanco. This is a coffee tequila. Here we go. Ooh, coffee one's good.
Tequila white.
Yeah, that's the one we need lime and salt for. It's not the best tequila. Don't buy the white. That's pretty tasty.
Is good.
Yeah. Notice these penis pen holders? I don't know. Weird stuff, weird stuff. Wow, that's all material and turn it sideways. How pretty. It's almost like it's an embroidered label. They have the most interesting tequila bottles. Wow. Of course.
Almond, chocolate, vanilla, coffee.
Right. I would taste that. The coffee liqueur. You want to taste the almond? Or remember? Oh, we saw this on one of the videos. Okay, so breathe in, take a sip, then breathe out.
You're gonna start
Dang!
like feeling the flavors in your tongue.
That works amazing.
That's the right way to sip tequila.
Did you do it?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That was awesome.
Well, you have an expert right here, okay?
We actually saw it on someone's vlog.
Oh yeah. You did?
Yeah, and they did that, and I didn't think about it till you just said how to do it. Oh, that's awesome. Very nice. I love it. So Sammy Hagars' place, Cabo Wabo Cantina, is a quick walk from the marina, but unfortunately we couldn't eat there because there were 3 cruise ships in town and the line was like a 2-hour wait. But we have eaten there before and it was really good. It's also his music venue where he does shows and has other artists do shows, and it's really cool looking on the inside. Wow. Very interesting.
Over here, salud. The Mexico is salud. Dice arriba, abajo, al centro y para adentro. Toda la beer. Salud.
So this was the best tequila tasting we've had. It was such great tequila.
Okay, this is vanilla. This guy has great tequila. You need to come do a tasting here.
One bottle, two.
But what flavors did you just mix?
Vanilla and coffee.
Oh God, I'm in heaven with vanilla and coffee. Okay, ready? That's good. I still like the coffee best.
Yeah,
Coffee
right?
best.
This is an extra añejo. Okay? So
Okay.
this one, I'm gonna teach you how to drink it, okay?
Wait, I think we know how. We breathe in, take the shot and swallow, and then breathe out.
Exactly.
We left with a bottle of tamarind tequila that I'm sure we overpaid for, but it was delicious.
Wow. Okay, so much better.
Watch for next week's video in Mazatlan, and then after that, Puerto Vallarta. We are Passports. Thanks for watching. Hey, check out our merch store with our logo and cool travel designs. All of our clothes are made with 100% cotton or organic cotton, all colors and sizes. Tees, tanks, hoodies, and more, along with accessories like mugs, glasses, cell phone cases, and masks. Please support our channel and get some cool merch. Store link in the description.